Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix that your device so quiet. Firstly, I recommend it to remove your ear tips from your earbuds and clean the grill on your left and right earbud. At this channel we have video how to do this, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. Now, if the cleaning didn't help you, maybe you have this problem with only one earbud, so then we can do something. We can change volume balance. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on your iPhone, and then I will move to Android. So, on your iPhone, open Settings, and you need to go to Accessibility, what's located under the General Settings. Then you need to scroll down, and in the hearing we have Audio and Visual. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have Volume Balance. If you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot, or if you have iOS 26, the slider to the right. And now we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And if you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute your sound the left earbud. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot or the slider to the left. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and you need to find Accessibility. I have stock Android, and on my phone it's located at the bottom. Go to Accessibility, and then we need to scroll down again and find Audio Adjustment, what at this phone also located at the bottom. Enter here, and right here we have Volume Balance. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, and now we just increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. And if you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right. But if you set to 100%, you will totally mute your the second earbud. And that's it for volume control. Now, if these methods didn't help you, I recommend it to contact customer service. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!